Hey guys, what's up? Here today for a vinyl record unboxing. This record was supposed to be here last time, like I said, but the way Amazon shipped it, it didn't show up, so I've got it today. And open up and show you guys what I got. So let's get started. Gotta cut this open first. Okay. Put the packet open, and here is the record. We've got Björk's debut. Not sure if this is the reissue version, which was colored vinyl, but we're about to find out. So, there's the cover. Let's take a look inside. Now this is weird. I've never seen a vinyl open from the top. So, that's strange. Let's take it out here and see what it's like. Standard sleeve, and here we have the record, which feels as if it could be 180 gram standard black vinyl. This is odd packaging, I have to say, because this might be an import, which may be the reason why the packaging is so weird on this one. And it came in this protective sleeve, which I might keep that and use it for another record, but I would probably rather use my polypropylene sleeves that I usually use on this instead. Yeah. Very odd packaging indeed, though. But yeah, guys, that is the record I got today. Just wanted to show that to you guys. There's the jacket. Iconic front image. Let's see if... Oh, there's some more stuff in here. Let's see what we got. Okay. There's a voucher to download the album if I wanted to do that. So, that's cool. Now, this is brand new, so I'm not sure if this will still work. I hope it works. But, yeah. Well, that's my record for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.